It's Abhi here. So as you see on the screen, this video is about how I am planning to make $5,000 per month business with an Instagram theme page. Alright, so this is a new thing that I'm starting. I always wanted to do that. I actually had a page like I created on 2017, but I quit it. Like I didn't know really what I was doing, right? So my overall strategy here is Instagram plus the monetizing strategy is shoutouts. Okay, with affiliate offers, with digital products, and with newsletters like Beehive. So there is this new platform called Beehive where you can actually get paid to grow newsletters. Well, essentially you are growing your newsletters, but when someone joins your newsletter, they get additional suggestions, additional options to join multiple newsletters. And on an average, I can make about $1 per subscriber. So if I have a good amount of traffic going into that newsletter, I can actually make pretty good money. And also in the newsletter, right, I can actually sell ads of other newsletters too. So that's a plus. And of course, I can monetize with affiliate offers and such. Okay. So my strategy is post content that is faceless, of course. So I'm going to be curating content, like using others' content to grow my theme page. Okay. I will reveal my theme page as well in a sec. Okay. So post content, grow followers organically, right, and then convert them to my email list, like followers to build my email list, and then selling affiliate or digital offers to my email list. So that's a traditional way to make money online, right? And apart from that, if I grow enough followers, I can actually make good money with selling shout out, right, selling ads on my Instagram page. All right, so this is my page right here, that is Millionaire Tribe. So I started working on 1st of September 2024. So this month on the 1st, right? And I actually added again because I actually created this account back in 2017. I posted a ton, as you can see, about 210 posts, about 207 posts, right? I added, and I actually got like 100 followers or so. I deleted a lot of followers because a lot of them from India. Like I am also from India, but audience from India doesn't really have that much purchasing power. So I removed them, put some limitations in my account to only get Indian audience if they are about 25 of age. You can actually do that setting in Instagram. So anyways, I already had this account and I really liked my username, so started again with this. Okay, because why not, right? I changed my logo and theme. All right, so I added a blue theme to my page and I uploaded my first reel on 1st September 2024. Okay, so let me show you my page real quick. So this is my page, and as you can see, I have been adding these posts like back in like few years ago, right? For example, this post was made like 232 weeks ago, so that's like a couple of years. So I started posting reels from this. Okay, and if I go to reels, you can see I actually got a good amount of traction, good amount of views for restarting a new account, right? Basically it's an old account but restarting again, right? So 1200 views here, about 45 likes, 1400 views here, 800, 200, 200, 200. Okay, so I'm trying it out. As you can see, my theme is a little bit blue here. It is congruent with my logo. I will add some highlights here as well. So that's my plan, posting consistent reels, and maybe one will go viral, right? I'm not posting blindly, by the way. I am following a strategy which I will be discussing in upcoming videos, but this is just an intro video. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, right? You can actually see this here completely transparent. You can go to my page and check it out, right? So my niche and content is about entrepreneurship, business, motivation, make money. Everything is sort of connected, so I can upload motivations and podcasts, all those clips on my Instagram, right? And I am reposting, or you can say curating content in the beginning, right? I don't want to reinvent the wheel, so I'm finding clips that has a potential to do really well, and I'm simply reposting that in my theme, adding my own subtitles, etc. Again, in the beginning, I am trying to keep it simple without much heavy editing. I am doing this manually. I'm documenting this for a reason, right? I want to show people that they can do this with themselves. They don't have to hire freelancers if they don't want to, right? I will be creating more videos about in the upcoming days. Okay, so here's my strategy: post 2x a day. So initially I started, so these two were, I started like once a day, and then I started twice a day. Okay, so this is very, very brand new. So let me go back. So post twice a day, experiment with hashtags, keep a good theme aesthetic on my page. Okay, I really want that blue theme here, as you can see. Okay, and grow to 10,000 followers with reels. So my focus is completely on reels. I'm not going to do any posts because reels is still the best way to grow on Instagram. I watched several videos on Instagram on YouTube, of Instagram on YouTube, and also watched a couple of courses from other Instagram mentors, right? So I'm implementing that, and I'm seeing where it takes me. Okay, so my monetization strategy is here again. Once I reach 5,000 to 10,000 followers, I will try out promo posts on my page to get some affiliate sales, or I will experiment with Beehive, the newsletter thing that I explained to you, right? And once I grow to 100,000 followers, I will start selling shoutouts, right? If you have 100,000 followers, you can actually make really good money with shoutouts, and I will actually show you that if I make it. Okay, this is going to be a long journey, and then build a business or a course or a coaching around this and sell it. If I were to successfully grow to 100,000 followers, right, that means I know what I'm doing, right? And I can teach it to other people. I can create a course, I can do coaching and sell it. People would appreciate it, right? So that's my strategy to reach to $5,000 per month. So now let's take a look at why I am creating this video. 1, I want to document my journey here. 2, I actually want to inspire someone to take action, right? If someone sees all these videos, all this series of videos that I'm doing about this particular business model, and if I'm successful, it might inspire someone to take action. I also want to prove that it's not too late and one can actually make money with this, right? I am aiming 3 months down the road to make my first $1,000 with this, right? It is still ambitious, right? 3 months is still a very short span of time, but let's see where it takes, right? One sale of a high ticket product that I'm promoting should be able to do this. But let's see, I'm still learning. And also I actually wanted to show you my journey right in front of your eyes with complete transparency. Alright, so please let me know in the comments if I should continue updating my journey of this new business model that I'm doing, of this Instagram theme page. So if you want to get regular updates from me, maybe weekly updates, then please let me know in the comment section, so that I know this is something that you will be interested in. And if you have any questions as well, please let me know in the comment section and I will be answering to them personally.